An interesting problem from the chapter of thermodynamics. It says 2 liter of an ideal gas at 10 atmosphere pressure expands until its volume is 10 liter. So from 2 liter V1 initial volume to V2 final volume, that is 10 liter. How much heat is absorbed and how much work is done when these three conditions? Gas expands isothermally into vacuum. So it is self-expansion work. Gas expands isothermally against constant pressure of 1 atmosphere. And the last one is gas expands in a reversible manner. To solve this problem, first of all, we have to write down the initial volume V1 is 2 liter is given. Final volume V2 equals to 10 liter and change in volume delta V equals to V2 minus V1. In case 1, applying first law of thermodynamics, work done W equals to minus P external delta V, where W is work done by the system, so it is negative sign, and Px stands for external pressure. As it is self-expansion work, so the resultant will be 0, which is Q. For case 2, W work done equals to minus P external into delta V, that is V2 minus V1, as we have assumed here. Delta V, it will be actually delta V equals to V2 minus V1. So P external is 1 atmosphere pressure multiplied by V2 minus V1, that is 10 minus 2 liter, that is 8 atmosphere liter, that is 8 into 101.3 joule, which is approximately 810 joule. Okay. And in the third case, here work done W equals to minus N R T ln V2 by V1. Applying the ideal gas equation, minus PV ln V2 by V1. It comes from the integration of PV equation. Here pressure is 10 atmosphere and volume is 2 liter. So minus 10 atmosphere into 2 liter, that is actually V1, into 2 atmosphere ln 5. It comes minus 20 into 1.61. The value of ln5 is approximately this. So that is equals to minus 32.6 liter atmosphere. So minus 32.6 into 101.3 joule. That's approximately 3.2 kilojoule. That is the value of Q.